Coco, do you want a treat? Yes or no? Do you want a treat? Which button? We gotta practice. Which button? Do you want a treat? Now use your buttons, lady. You don't want to use your buttons? Coco. When I was a kid, I got mixed up between yes and no too. Can you? I still do. Do you want a treat? I know you're touching the green button, but you have to press it. You have to press it, baby. Yes or no? I'm not giving them to you. You gotta pick your button. You're so cute. Oh my God. How do I even live? I don't know, actually. Yes or no? Do you want a treat? Look. Do you want a treat? You're not pressing the button. You gotta press it.
Yes.
Okay, good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're so gooey. You are so gooey today. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, nom.